Welcome to ClearTask. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to remove stubborn horizontal lines in Google Docs. Horizontal lines can be frustrating when they refuse to be deleted, but they usually fall into one of three categories. Let's look at how to quickly remove each type. For the most common standard line, removal is easy. Just click directly on the horizontal line. Once it highlights in blue, simply press the delete or backspace key on your keyboard. Sometimes, however, a single click won't select the line. These are often automatically generated by Google Docs when you type a row of dashes. To remove this type, double-click directly over the line until it highlights and then press delete. If neither of those steps worked, you are dealing with a paragraph border. No matter how many times you click or highlight the text around it, it just won't delete. Here is the exact fix. First, place your blinking cursor just below the stubborn line. Next, go up to the top menu and click on Format. Hover your mouse over Paragraph Styles, and then select Borders and Shading. A menu box will pop up on your screen. Look for the Border Width dropdown, change it to 0 point, and click Apply. The line will instantly disappear, and there you have it, your document is perfectly clean again. If this quick tip helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct tutorials. Thanks for watching.